show no decline, as age tries in vain to unsteady his hand. The watchmaker gets by. The dust on the top shelf is the evidence against time, that marked by the hands of his grandfather clock, the old shop still tries to deny. And sepia images of royalty gone stare down with critical eyes on mahogany stained with laughter and pain. The boy stares in amazement and asks why the big one don't chime. Don't be daft, kid, there's magic in there, but only at 9:20. The spider spins his cobweb again, that the turn of the hour did destroy, and an old man sits still with his memories, his skill, and the wonder of one small boy. And sepia images of royalty gone stare down with critical eyes on mahogany stained with laughter